channel. So today we have a makeup tutorial where we will do this makeup look, but before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. For today's makeup, I'm going to use the Kylie and the Grinch palette. You know, she launched this whole collection during the month of December. It was for her Christmas collection. So I'm going to start off with the color Whoville, which I'm going to use to set my concealer that I already applied. Right away, I did 3 different makeup looks with this palette. So if you guys didn't see that video, I'll leave the link down below. I'm gonna go with this brown, which is called Old Grinch, and I'm going to grab it with a flat brush, and this is going to make basically the new makeup look, which is becoming a trend. So basically what we're going to do is make the shape of the crease. Remember, it's based on the shape of your eye, so just go along with the shape of your crease. So I'm going from the inner corner of my eye to the outside of my eye and finish it here, so like this. Now I'm just gonna get some concealer and start applying it on my lid. I did on the other side of my eye. This is just to pop after that green that it's gonna do this makeup look. Now I'm gonna get this green color, which is called Hoop Pudding, and with a flat brush, I already did it on the other side. I'm going to apply the green on top of the concealer on my lid, and basically this is gonna be the whole makeup look. I feel like this green, it's gonna be a spring color, which is kind of nice. It reminds me of the avocado. By the way, you guys saw that elf launch, or basically collab, with Chipotle, and it was such a cute collaboration. I'm just gonna use a orange concealer just to cut my dark circles, and then just blending this out. I think I put too much. Right now I'm just putting some creamy concealer. This is from Maybelline, just to have more coverage, especially on my pimples and around my nose, which is a little bit red. And then just blend it with the fingers. Foundation, I'm going to combine 2. I'll be using the Morphe 2 just because it's a tint. So because this makeup is more like a spring, a summery makeup look, I want the foundation to be lightweight. So I'm going to use the Morphe 2, and this is in the shade Hint of Honey. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid in the shade Vanilla. Just going to add some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. I'm going to blend this really quick because it dries up really fast. I'm going to apply some falsies. These are from Ardell. I just don't know what number they are because I lost their box. These are more dramatic. While I wait my lashes to dry, I'm just gonna start contouring my face, and this is with the Parquet Princess palette. This is from Tarte, and I changed a brush to contour my face because I used to use this one. Say it's thicker and this one is thinner, and I feel like this one makes the contour look thinner. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, and this is from the e.l.f. palette. I know it's all broken, but I want to buy a new one, and I really want to try blushes from Milani because they said they're super they're very good. So I want to try that, especially the ones for the one that has the rose. I think they say they're really nice. Put it on the nose. I really don't like to add blush on the nose, but let's add some blush. For my top lashes, I'm going to use the e.l.f. mascara. It's their new one. And just to combine the falsies with my lashes, I'm going to apply some setting spray. This is from Milani. I'm going to use the color No Angel and Cliche from the Urban Decay Afterglow palette, and I'm just going to highlight my face. I love this highlight palette. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of Cliche, and I'm gonna add this on my brow bone just to have some pop of glow. I just noticed I have, oh my god, why do I have mascara there? Now we're gonna add Old Grinch again on my lower lashes, just to add a little bit more of color, but not too much. You don't want to go beyond the kind of soft, dramatic look. But hopefully I can blend this mascara because I have no idea how I did this. Now for my lower lashes, I'm going to use their Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna finish this makeup, applying some mascara, and then we'll move on with add some glow. So I'm gonna go with heart to size too small, and I'm gonna add this on my inner corner of my eyes. And for the lips, I'm gonna go with a new one. I'm gonna use the Beauty Creation in color Cheer, and with its lip gloss too. Oh, which this is called Mistletoe. I thought it didn't have a name, but it's called Mistletoe, and this is from their holiday collection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love so much this new makeup look slash trend that I feel like it touches the 60s, the 70s, the 80s. Really like it. Plus with this beautiful green that is gonna be for this spring and summer. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.